Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. Alright, so the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. I mean that you cannot tap on anything, for example, maybe app crashed and it just does not respond to any of your actions. So by trying to force restart it, your device will simply cut all of the processes and will turn off the system and then simply restart it. So to do that, we have to press the power button, which is right here, and volume up button together and wait until we will see the black screen. So let me do it. Let's ignore this restart option. Let's pretend that we cannot tap on it and keep pressing. Right now we can see the black screen, so we can release the fingers. We should see the developer's logo in a second. As you can see, we've got it, which simply means that your device just started to restart the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.